Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video and wishing you a 2022 happy new year. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do a low manipulation hairstyle, using threads or yarn. So now, like after washing my hair, I had put in this braid so that my hair could be a bit stretched. So it's the following morning after washing my hair. So like I don't use direct heat on my hair. I always stretch my hair naturally. In fact, I've done about 4 videos on how I stretch my hair using rubber bands, cotton thread, cornrows, and flat twist. So you can check those videos out, or I'll link them in the description box below so that you can check them out. So like I love doing low manipulation hairstyles which do not take time and which do not wreak havoc on our edges. We're trying to grow out our hair. And prayer has been one of my priorities. You know what? Because the Bible tells us to say, without God, we cannot do anything. But with Him, all things are possible. So I'm getting a wide tooth comb and I'm just combing the base so that our hair could be separated at the base. So comb gently. You don't have to be aggressive because you don't want to lose your hair. So be gentle and do it with love. Yes, as you can see. So using a wide tooth comb will actually help because you won't lose much hair, like it will be minimal. So we are done combing the base now. So at this point, we are going to use some rubber bands, as you can see, and we're also going to use some Ecostyler gel. One of them, in fact, that's my famous brand. So I've used quite a number of gels from that line. And we're also going to use a rattle comb. And we're going to use a thread or yarn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a part like so. And I'll also do the same on the other side because I want to do some flat twist, one big flat twist to the left and another big flat twist on the right. And then at the middle, we are going to do like individual braids, and then we are going to be adding our yarn. So I'm just trying to make the line straight as much as possible, as you can see. So like I stopped a long time ago, going to salons. But of course, I do understand that there are great salons out there. Yes, so you can check them out. Yes, so like I do take care of my natural hair. Personally, I don't go to salons. Yes, so that is how it looks like. We are done parting, but of course not very, very perfect, but we have tried our best. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, okay, now I'm trying to make the part as straight as possible. So now I'm just putting that section away so that we can start working on the other side. So as you can see, like I'm trying so that the line are straight, and on the edges of our hair, like on the tip of our hair. So I'm making a part actually, as you can see. So on the tip of our hair. So I'm just showing you how our yarn is. I've actually cut into 2. So now like I have about 12 on each side, because you know what, we want our braids to look thicker. And I'm not going to be adding like one thread. No, we'll just do it at once, if that makes sense, like so. So now what I'll do is before I braid, I'm going to use a leave-in just to moisturize our ends because they were feeling dry. Because our ends are the ones which determine length, so we need to be taking care of them for us to see length. So we are going to use that much, like just the ends of our hair. So actually this leave-in that I'm using, I had formulated it, and I'll link the video in the description box below so that you can check it out. I think it was okra detangler. Yeah, so now we are going in with our Ecostyler gel. So I'm just going to apply it on the perimeter of our hair, like so. So actually this helps so that the hair can come together, so that there won't be any flyaways as you braid your hair. Like your hair will be intact, if that makes sense. So now like I'm just lathering it in our hair, and now I'm getting a thread, and then I'll start flat twisting like so. So I'm going to do some kind of excuse me, some slow motion, so that you'll be able to see how we did it, like so. So like I learned how to braid my hair, so like it's actually, you know, not very difficult. Just keep on practicing. Yes, so like I learned braiding like through YouTube tutorials. I used to watch quite a number of YouTube tutorials on how to flat twist, corn rolling, and so forth. So like as you continue practicing, you become perfect. So like keep on like braiding the ends. So as you can see, because you know we had made our thread big, so at the end it won't be like thin, it will be quite thicker. And then once we reach the end, we are going to tie it like that. Once we are done, then we'll move on to the other side. So that is how it looks like. Yes, so far I love it. Yes, hope this hairstyle will come out nicely. So we are doing the other side. So at this point we're doing the front, so we're just applying our leave-in conditioner on our hair. And then I'm getting a part. So at the middle we are going to do 3 individual braids. So like I'm trying as much as possible to make the line straight. And then we are going to use some rubber bands just for the 3 individual braids. So once I'm done like making the line straight, then I'll get our Ecostyler gel, and then I'll put it on the perimeter of our hair, and then I'm going to lather it throughout the braids that we want to braid. So now we are getting our gel and apply it on the perimeter of our hair, like so. Work it through. So once you're satisfied, then you can get an elastic band. So we are just using one, and then we'll sew it around our braid, or the portion which we want to braid. So once you are done putting the rubber band, you have to separate the hair into 2. So once I'm done, I'll like pull it. Don't pull too much. You don't want to experience a headache. You know, beauty shouldn't hurt. And then I'm going to get a cotton thread, or whatever like thread you want to use. So I'm going to just twist. Keep on twisting until you reach the ends of your thread. So once you are done at the end, you have to make sure that you tie it like so. So I'll continue doing the same throughout the rest of the 2 braids. So at this point, I'm done braiding. So I'm just getting a scissors and I'm cutting the tip or the excess. And you need to be very careful when cutting because you don't want to hurt yourself. Yes, so you have to be very, very careful. So now at this point, we are going to style our hair. So like I'll just keep just twisting the rest of the hair and bringing everything together like so, and then I'll like twist, and then I'll tuck it in, and then I'm going to tuck it in, and then I'll get a bobby pin, just one. You can even go in with more bobby pins. So I just used one bobby pin. Like so. So at this point, like of course the lines were not so perfect, but I love the way how it came out. And so now at this point, I'm getting our gel, like we're going to put more gel on the perimeter of our hair or our edges so that the hairstyle can look so perfect. Yes, nothing special, you know, nothing dramatic, just making sure that our hair is laid. So I'm just using my hands to rub it in or on our edges. So at this point, you can go wherever you want to go. If you want, you can put on a scarf. So I'm getting a silk scarf. I'm wrapping my hair and I'm going to leave it on for 15 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you how our hairstyle looks like. Like you need to be very gentle even when tying your scarf. So like it shouldn't hurt or you shouldn't experience a headache. So know what, friends, it's been 15 minutes and our hair is ready. I'm super excited at this point to see how our hairstyle looks like or have come out. So that is how it looks like. Yes, I love it. So simple. Next time, of course, we're going to improve on our lines. The more we practice, the more we become perfect. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. So thank you so much to my 125 subscribers and to all my viewers. I appreciate you guys for your support. You've been so supportive in 2021. Yes, and hoping for the best like in 2022 to grow this channel and to upload more informative videos for you guys. So thank you so much. God bless you. See you in my next video. So like I really love how it came out. Have you seen? Like it's perfect, right? I'm so happy at this point, you know. Yes, I love it. Yes. So thank you so much. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.